Just things you see as a professional investigator. There's a woman working her cloak of invisibility. Don't think it's working really well for her. It's funny how that glass pipe didn't catch fire. There's a beverage of choice. All right. Just a young man enjoying the afternoon in the sun. Absolutely nothing wrong here. Just the type of thing you see when you do surveillance. Never too old to enjoy life, I guess. I love this guy. I did film every frame of this myself, by the way. Just more young people out enjoying the day. If you'd like to learn to do surveillance like this, I've got the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance over at ShadowAnyone.com. There's a little something you got to keep safe. Where in the world is the safest place to keep this? I guess right there. Oh, still going. Take a drink, do a dance. Oh, still at it. Dancing with your crack pipe.